Hi, welcome back to StyledbyEsther's channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to block a lace front wig on your wig block. So a quick, simple video for the Wigs 101 series. What you'll need is obviously your wig block, your wig, a piece of shoelace or bias tape, pins. These are just cheapy, basic sewing pins. I do have a video that I'm going to be uploading on everything that you need to style a wig, everything that I use, and I'll go through, a basic setup of what you need. It's going to be on Patreon, not on YouTube. First step of wig styling is obviously blocking your wig on a wig block, and look for this one with the brown rim down the bottom, the ones that are white with the white plastic on the bottom. I find them to be an odd shape, and I don't really like to use those ones because they're a weird shape, plus the inside isn't cork, it's like that foam stuff. Are dartboards cork? Aren't dartboards like pigskin or something?
Ugh.
I think dartboards, well, maybe not now, but they're pretty sure dartboards. I'm gonna Google that. As you can see, I've got Glad wrap on here. That is when it comes to steaming, so I will explain more about that in my how to steam a wig and roller set of videos. They'll be coming up in the near future, in the coming months. Okay, so that is how to block a lace front wig. Both ways, any down style and any updo also. Thank you for watching. If you would like to join our Patreon as a patron, please go to www.patreon.com/StyledbyEsther and sign up to see the full video on how to block a lace front wig. You can join up to our $10 tier, or for everything plus full wig styling videos, you can join our $15 tier. That's our Wig Fanatic tier, which has our already completed Slipped on a Ruby full styling tutorial, plus more to come every month, and all sorts of other stuff as well. Behind the scenes polls and all that jazz. Yeah. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you to our new patrons, Alyssa, Archie, Linda, Tom, and William. To join us as a patron and access full wig styling tutorials and exclusive content, click the link in the description box below.
Bye-bye!